Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the account on hold issue in Amazon Shopping in 2026. An account on hold message can be worrying, but it doesn't mean your Amazon account is banned forever. Now, this usually happens due to security checks, payment issues, or unusual activities. So let's fix it just by following these few simple steps. Before we start, Amazon Shopping app is both available on Android and iOS devices. You can find it in the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Just go to the store and look for the Amazon Shopping app. Once you find this, you're going to click on Install and make sure you update the app. Then you're going to launch it and sign in with your account and start shopping. Now, to fix the account on hold issue, the first thing you want to do is to check your email. Now, Amazon sends instructions explaining why the account is on hold. What actions are required? So make sure to verify your Gmail inbox and see the email sent by Amazon with the subject of account on hold. And read the instructions and verify them. And do any action that is required. You can also verify your identity or payment. You may need to confirm payment informations or upload verification documents in your profile. And approve recent activities. You can also follow Amazon's instructions exactly. Do not create a new account. This can make things worse. Also, just follow the instructions and it will resolve. Now, if it doesn't, you're going to wait for review. Account reviews can take time, so be patient and avoid repeated support requests. You can also send a customer support request here by clicking on Need Help, and you can click on Contact Support, and here you can explain your problem here and contact the support for infos and for solutions. Now, most Amazon accounts holds in 2026 are temporary. Once verifications is complete, full access is usually restored without long-term issues. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.